Imagine a small startup, without the billions of dollars of giants like OpenAI and Alibaba, without thousands of engineers spread across the world, it manages to shake the foundations of Silicon Valley. It seems impossible, but that's exactly what DeepSeek did with the launch of DeepSeek V3. This unexpected move not only challenged the biggest companies in the sector, but also caused an immediate impact on the financial market. Tech stocks plummeted, and experts began to wonder, are we witnessing a new revolution in artificial intelligence? What makes this story even more surprising is that DeepSeek is not a well-established big tech. It operates as a research lab, led by young talents from the best universities in China. But how did such a small group manage to outshine some of the brightest minds at OpenAI and Google? This is the beginning of an epic battle for supremacy in artificial intelligence. And what's at stake is not just technology, but the control of one of the world's most strategic sectors. Are we witnessing the birth of a new AI empire? If before, the AI race seemed dominated by Western giants like OpenAI, Google, and Microsoft, now DeepSeek has entered the game and turned the tables. But China doesn't just have this new contender. Alibaba, one of the largest tech conglomerates in the world, is also determined to lead the race. OpenAI, for its part, still holds the throne with GPT-4 and its upcoming versions, but it now faces increasingly aggressive challenges. Google, which once seemed like a strong competitor, has struggled to maintain its position with Gemini, while Microsoft invests heavily to secure its stake in the market. Meanwhile, in China, Alibaba isn't staying behind. The launch of Qwen 2.5 Max is a direct response to DeepSeek's meteoric rise, and this battle is just beginning. The question now is, who truly has what it takes to dominate the future of AI? The competition between these three forces is not just about technology, but about global influence. The winner of this race could define the future of AI and, consequently, the future of the internet, business, and even global geopolitics. The rise of DeepSeek and Alibaba's swift response are not just tech news. They are signs of a profound shift in the global balance of power. For years, Silicon Valley has been the birthplace of AI innovation, dominating the research and development of the world's most advanced technologies. But now, this hegemony is being challenged like never before. DeepSeek, a relatively small Chinese startup, shocked the world by launching a model that competed head-to-head with giants like OpenAI and Google. And Alibaba, one of China's most influential companies, is doubling down to ensure that this revolution continues. But why does this matter so much? Because AI is the engine of the next industrial revolution. From automation in the corporate sector to the creation of new industries, mastering artificial intelligence means controlling the future digital economy. If China manages to surpass Silicon Valley in this race, the effects will be felt worldwide. OpenAI, Google, and Microsoft will have to react quickly or risk losing what they've built over decades. And in this scenario, the big question is, who will emerge ahead? DeepSeek V3 wasn't just another AI model. It redefined what we expected from Chinese AIs. Until then, the global market was dominated by Western models, with OpenAI and Google always ahead. But when DeepSeek V3 launched, it immediately caught attention with its impressive performance. What made it so special? First, its processing and language understanding capabilities exceeded all predictions. The model demonstrated advanced skills in text generation, coding, and even complex reasoning, rivaling OpenAI's top models. It also stood out in AIME tests, one of the most rigorous measures of chatbot intelligence and answer accuracy. What was even more surprising was that DeepSeek V3 didn't come from a massive company with hundreds of thousands of employees, but from a compact, highly efficient, and innovative research lab. This showed that the game was changing, and that team size doesn't always define product quality. With this, DeepSeek V3 didn't just enter the global AI competition, it forced its competitors to move faster. And the response came almost immediately. With DeepSeek V3's breakthrough, the big question that arose was, can it really compete with OpenAI's and Google's most advanced models? To answer this, experts began comparing its performance directly with giants like GPT-4 and Google's Gemini. In early tests, DeepSeek V3 proved highly efficient in natural language understanding, solving math problems, and even programming. On some metrics, it was even on par with or surpassed GPT-4. This was enough for the market to begin seeing the Chinese model as a real threat to Western AI dominance. But there are fundamental differences. While GPT-4 is a highly refined model trained on a massive volume of data, DeepSeek V3 focuses on efficiency and innovation. Its optimized architecture allows for faster processing, using fewer computational resources. Google, which was already under pressure from OpenAI's competition, now sees DeepSeek as yet another dangerous adversary. And the most concerning part? The speed with which DeepSeek is evolving. If they've already reached this level in just a few months, what can we expect in the next few years? But what's the secret behind this success? The answer lies in DeepSeek's unique strategy. While companies like OpenAI and Google operate with thousands of employees and almost unlimited resources, DeepSeek took a completely different path. Instead of a large conglomerate, It operates more like an ultra-specialized research lab, made up of a small but highly qualified team. The impact of this is profound. With the competition heating up, innovation needs to accelerate. Companies are now more focused than ever on developing AI with greater speed and efficiency. This not only speeds up the progress of technology, but also pressures other areas, such as regulation and ethics in AI use. As a result, we see growing pressure for innovations to not only be fast but also safe, accessible, and to bring real value to society. The heavyweight competition between Alibaba, OpenAI, Google, and DeepSeek demands more than just technical capability. It requires vision, creativity, and the courage to bet on something truly disruptive. And as this battle intensifies, the real winner is the market, which is now facing an era of unprecedented innovation. First, the intense competition between these companies may result in more accessible and efficient AI solutions. The price, for example, may begin to drop as new companies enter the race and models become more optimized. This could democratize access to cutting-edge technologies, allowing more people, businesses, and even governments to adopt AI in their daily operations. Additionally, as companies compete for supremacy, they strive to create smarter AI with more comprehensive applications. This could result in innovations that make AI more useful in users' daily lives. We could see significant advances in areas such as healthcare, education, and entertainment, where AI not only improves efficiency but also creates new opportunities and solutions. AI could begin to be more intuitive, helping people solve complex problems more simply, from everyday tasks to more sophisticated issues. Competition also has a positive effect on innovation. Every advancement in AI brings new possibilities and pushes the boundaries of what technology can do. This means that for everyday users, the future of AI could be much more promising and transformative than we imagined. Now that we've seen the magnitude of this battle, which involves tech giants and an innovative startup, it's time to open the discussion to you, the audience. The question is simple, but the answer could define a lot about the future of the sector. Who do you think will win this battle for AI supremacy? Will it be the powerful and established OpenAI, with its impressive advances and support from major investors? Or will it be Google, with its vast infrastructure and global dominance? Perhaps Microsoft, which has been heavily investing in AI to transform its operations and products? Or maybe the small and daring DeepSeek, which has defied expectations and redefined the concept of innovation? The competition isn't just between the technologies, but also between the visions of the future that each of these companies brings with them. DeepSeek is breaking paradigms with its lean team focused on innovation, while the giants try to adjust to a faster pace of evolution. What do you think will happen? Leave your comment below with your opinion, and who knows, we might see your vision become a reality in the near future. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends so more people can join this debate about the future of AI. The battle for AI supremacy is far from over,